Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a feature for Inloveartshop. So let's go ahead and get on to the projects that I made. Okay, first is this die right here. And this is what I made right here. I did an ornament with these mittens, and I just love this die right here. A good amount of mittens, and they have little designs on there. I used the star. You could see the star peeking through the cardstock there. And so all I did was add these mittens to a crochet rope, and I looped it up around this ornament. So this ornament die is a Sizzix die. I will have it linked below. I did do a little cap on this die. This cap doesn't come there, it's just a closure. The mittens die is so cute, so I did do two of them. I added just the mittens there. They're different colors, blue and pink, switched it up a little. This one doesn't have the closure up here, but I did enclose some stuff in there for some happy mail. And so I will show that happy mail at the end. So this is what I made with this right here. So that's project number one. This die right here, this one is the stocking die, and it comes like so. So such a cute little die as well. And this is what I did with the stockings. So I am using the old collection by Crate Paper called Snowflake. And I made this embellishment here. Using this die right here. See, it's just a little stocking and it's right there. So cute. I love it so much. I did do two of these, and I did do some stitching, left the strings coming out of the ends, and I also love the decoration for the stocking, the candy cane, and then this leafy right here, this leafy, forgot what this is called, berries. So I love it, you guys. Such a cute little embellishment, and I did do two. I will show the other one is exactly the same, and I will show it at the end because I'm going to show you some happy mail. So that is project two. So next is this right here. This is like the poinsettia type flower leafy green, and I did do a paper clip with this one, and you'll see why I did that in the end, along with I'm not going to show this because it can't be shown, but the embellishment goes right here. So I made this right here as a bag topper, put the leafy there, and look at how beautiful that looks with all of the pieces. Let me take these pieces out. So this is what you get. You get this right here. So such a cute die. I love all these green leafy pieces right here, which you can decorate and make different colors with them. And so that's what I did here with the pink, and then here's the blue. And I just added these stones gifted to me by Lou David. I will have her linked below. She has an Instagram, and these stones went perfect, or these flat backs went perfect for this. So I will show you this embellishment at the end. So that is project number three. Okay, the snowman. So the snowman is such a cute little die. Look at this little snowman, and let me show you what I made. I made a little tag here, such a cute little embellishment tag with a little snowman using the snowflake tag that comes, it's like a shaker tag. You could barely see the shaker at the end, and I just embellished it with this greenery right here by Sizzix, and then I used all these paper pieces for the snowman, and I love this snowman. So now I'm going to show you this right here. So here's the other snowman here. So I made two. So cute. I love him. Isn't he cute? It's a he, she. I'm not sure, but it's cute. Love it. Okay, so that is the fourth project I made. Okay, next is the pine cone. You guys, this pine cone looks so simple, but it's so cute, you guys. So I made it into a little embellishment by adding this bow right here. This is a Sizzix die. Added the pine cone underneath, and then to make this embellishment right here. So added a snowflake on the back and also a tag from the paper collection by Crate Paper, and then added some stitching. As you can see, the stitching is just, if you could, I'm going to turn it to the back so you could see all the stitching that I did there. You could barely see it in the front, but you can see all the leftover pieces coming out. So I did do 2 of these as well, and here is the other piece right here. So I put it inside this bag. This is a gift for somebody, and we'll go into that at the end. That's the 5th project, you guys. I love this die, super cute. The next die is this one right here. It's an ornament die, and this is what you get. You get the pieces for the ornament. This is kind of like the string, and then of course the ornaments right there. You get 4 ornaments along with a sentiment and a bow and a star. Also a little circle piece right there where you can add dimension to this piece right here. So I just say Happy Christmas instead of Merry Christmas. So I just want you to be aware of that. So there it is. Okay, so what I made with that are these rosettes right here, and I had so much fun. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen these, and I just love them. I have a little YouTube shorts tutorial on these, so I'm kind of trying out some YouTube shorts, and you'll see a few here and there coming up, making these projects, and I just want to see how that works out. I did have a comment from someone from outside of the paper community comment if I could do some short videos to show my my projects. When I do project shares, you know, like this, I do project shares and I don't show how to make them, so they wanted to know if I could do some shorter videos on how to make these projects, and I thought, hey, let's try the YouTube shorts and see how that goes. I know that sometimes I cater just to the community, and you know, people who are passing by sometimes want to see what's going on, and I also am guilty of that. Before becoming part of this community, I used to scroll through YouTube trying to figure out how to make something, and all I would see was project shares, and I didn't know what project shares were, and I would say, I just want to know how to make these, can you just put a video? I would say that in my head, so I completely understand where they're coming from. So these are the ornaments right here. I did them in glitter cardstock, and it just brought the whole die out and just made them a very Christmassy, if that's a word. So that's it right there, and I just got confused on how many projects. So this is the 6th project here. Okay, next is the Starburst, you guys. I've been wanting this for a long time and finally able to pick it up. They were offering it to me, so I'm so happy that I was able to do that. And so what I made was Starburst Flags, and these are the flags. You'll see a YouTube short coming up very soon. And as you can see here, I used some of these Hobby Lobby picks that I picked up from the holiday section and made some flags with them, and I just absolutely love them. And these are a gift as well, and I will get into that gift very soon here. So this is the Starburst flags that I made, and I think they came out very cute, very different for Christmas. Just a little starburst. It kind of looks like a snowflake, and such a cute little way to send off some happy mail, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into my 3D project. Okay, so this is the project that I am sending off to my new friend Monty, who is the polka dot pinecone here on YouTube. And you guys, look at this sleigh. I had so much fun making this sleigh. It is my first little sleigh of SVG files. This is a Lori Whitlock SVG file. It is initially a card, and I made it into a box, and I'm using the snowflake. You guys, the snowflake paper collection is my favorite. I know I used to love Snow and Cocoa, but after using Snowflake, this one became my new favorite. So I do jump around, and right now this is my favorite, and it cannot be found anywhere to my luck. So here it is, you guys. I did stitching all over the place, so there's stitching everywhere, and I love the hints of gold that it brings out. And if you can see right here, the snowflake is also stitched. The words here are the mittens that I showed you guys. Here is the snowman, and I did do some dots here, and I did this 2 years ago, so this was already all done and sewed and dotted 2 years ago. And then I added a little sentiment, some of this tree picks from Michael's, and such. Look at this, you guys. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's such a cute deer. I thought it went really cute there on the side here. Here I've added some of these pink bells from Amazon. And as you can see, all my projects from Inloveartshop are in here as well. And so in the back it says the Happy Christmas from that sentiment. It says Happy Christmas, and then my information. So this is the die I used. I wish it would say Merry, but it says Happy Christmas. So let's go ahead and get into it, because everything is already falling out. So the Starburst Flags are just picked inside there, so they probably will mess up. So, okay, so the first thing that I'm sending Monty is this right here. And you guys, she won my giveaway, my Halloween giveaway, and so there has been a big giant oopsie with that. And so that's why I'm sending her this, but I'm so happy to have made her this. I told her I am making this with some crafty love. So I put my all into this for her, and had her in mind when crafting these projects. And so we already went into that. There's that. So if you can see everything that I showed you. So I just want to get into it because there's other things in here. So this is a little bag that was gifted to me. I can't remember by who, but I thought it was very cute little bag to go in here. And what I'm including in here are some of these crochet snowflakes. I did make some crochet snowflakes, you guys, and these will be going in my shop, and they are a limited supply. So as soon as I post them, I will let you guys know on Instagram when that is. And so I'm gifting these to Monty, and so she will have 3 little snowflakes there, and they are all stickled up with some stickles. And then next is this project here that you already seen, and then I just added the flag on the top there. And then I'm gifting her this right here. These are our gold poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. I added this snowflake chipboard piece and added some eyelash trim on the back. So just very plain, but also wanted to decorate that. And then her card right here, Happy Holidays, Monty, with a little heart. And then this paper clip, a flower, poinsettia flower. So very different type of style. And then I added this little ornament here for her, and it opens right here. And what I have in here are these cute little deer, pink deer from Hobby Lobby. I was gonna hang it right here, but I decided to hang this one there. And I also decided to gift her the entire package that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and just took it out of the package and put it inside this ornament. I thought it was such a cute little space for it, instead of just having it sitting inside. Oh, a little flower piece fell out. So this little sleigh is initially a card by Lori Whitlock, and I just made a box out of it. So decorated the inside as well, and that just gives it a little of a completed look. You know, if you decorate the inside as well, you know, people you normally don't see the inside, but you know, it's all in the details for the receiver to receive something like that, very detailed and put together. And I love doing that, you guys. I just love it. So I'm gonna put all this back here. So this is for my new friend Monty, the polka dot pinecone here on YouTube. I will have her linked below. All my other links will also be linked below along with my discount code. And hopefully if I inspired you with these dies, please use that code. I would greatly appreciate it. I don't get anything from it. That's just a little code for you guys. I'm so excited to craft Christmas, and let's see what I come up with. So like always, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.